It's slap, mute, slap, mute, and bass. Slap, mute, slap, mute, and bass. So this is how the rhythm goes, okay? Slowly we go slap, mute, mute, okay? Slap, mute, mute. Slap, mute, mute. Okay, we continue. Slap, mute. Remember, it doesn't go like this. No. There is some, feeling that gives you the African feeling, because you have to pause somewhere to relax. You get me? Yeah. Some of you just go like that. No. We don't go like that. So let's go. This side go. Right? So we continue. Let's go forward. So we go kutukata. So it's go bass and slap, mute, okay? This so we go. So let's put into a rhythm contest, like a rhythm, like the way Ghanaians or Africans will enjoy takoduku. Yeah, this goes to other Africans too who are not,